What's up guys, my name is Mark and welcome back to the channel. Right behind me we have the new truck for our build series. So let's get right into it. I'm going to show you guys around the truck. Let me just get this truck moving real quick and we'll get right into it. Alright guys, this is day one of the build series for the channel. This is a 2015 F-350 Platinum. I've had this truck for about 6 months now, and I decided it was time to kind of film more of the truck, get some more content out there, and kind of show you where the build sits now and where we're going to take it into the future. So let's go over what's already on the truck and what's to come. Alright, we'll start off with the wrap. So it's a color change chrome camo wrap I put on here to match the other truck, the Luma Duty. So then we picked up these wheels about 3 months ago, the 24x16s on pretty much brand new 35s. They're wide. It was on 20x12 black fuels, and now we're on forged rims. So then we did paint the frame. Don't mind the runs. Did a little bit of white paint on the radius arms, the springs, the front diff cover, the leaf springs, and the rear diff cover. We threw it on a 6-inch BDS lift, but we're thinking about doing a 10 or 12-inch lift on the truck. It would be the ultimate goal. Okay guys, let's go ahead and fire the truck up, and we'll show you what's under the engine bay and what's done to the exhaust. Okay, so it has a 5-inch exhaust from the turbo back. Let's check on this engine bay here. We have a full EGR delete, did the CCV delete, and the disaster prevention kit. And it's tuned right now by EasyLink, and it lives on a 180 horsepower tune. She's rowdy. That being said, let's go take it for a drive. Alright guys, let's go and take it for a drive. Yeah, rubs a little bit. So this lady in this house right here hates the truck. She came out screaming at me one day. As I was saying, she's rowdy. Stop at the bank real quick. This thing sucks to be here, turns out. Sure, no one's over there. This is a pain in the ass to drive in tight parking lots, I'll tell you that. it's got a 180 horsepower tune on it. It definitely black smokes if I get to do it here. Alright, let's head back to the house and talk more about the build. Alright, we just got back home. I kind of want to go over a few things of what's to come in the future. Just a little bit of teasers. We're going to do a Starlight headliner with a platinum logo and 1,000+ stars. We're going to do some paint matching. And then I think we're also going to throw a lift on this thing. Thinking a 10 to 12 inch is going to be the goal. A bunch of stuff for this truck. You know, we're all going to film it and do it all together. A bunch of paint matching. I tinted the windows with a chrome tint. So maybe we'll change that up. Maybe we'll take the wrap off. Do a cow hood. Oh, yeah. There's going to be a bunch of different stuff. You know, we got there's another video in here. We're going to be sanding this trailer down, painting it, staining the wood. And then see how much we get for flipping this thing. But yeah, see you guys in the next one.